Hi all, welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today's topic is atoms, elements, molecules and compounds. Let us see what is an atom. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. Imagine one grain of rice has 1000 crores of atoms. So the atom will be very small. We cannot see with our naked eyes. So what is a matter? Anything that occupies space is called as matter. Now we see the structure of atom. Atom consists of subatomic particles like proton, electron and neutron. Okay, this is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus we have positively charged proton and the neutrally charged neutron. Protons and neutrons together they are called as nucleons. They are present inside the nucleus, and the electrons, the red one is the electrons which revolves around the nucleus in an orbit, and this is the orbit. Protons will always be positively charged one, and the electron will always be negatively charged, and the neutron will doesn't have any charge, so no charge for that. And person who discovered proton is Ernest Rutherford, and J.J. Thomson discovered electron, James Chadwick discovered neutron. Now we see what is an element. An element is a substance which is purely made up of one type of atom. For example, helium, hydrogen, sodium, etc. like this. They have only one type of atom. There are 118 elements discovered so far. They are present in a modern periodic table. Okay, now we see what is a molecule. A molecule is a substance that contains two or more atoms which are chemically joined together. They are called as molecules. If we have only one type of atom, like oxygen, helium, in this one there is only one type of atom present here, so we call this as monoatomic molecule. If we have two atoms, then we call it as diatomic molecule. For example, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, N2, O2 and H2. And if we have three oxygen atom, for example in ozone, O3 is ozone. Ozone we have three oxygen atom present in this one. So we call this as a triatomic molecule. If we have more than three atoms present in a molecule, then we call it as polyatomic molecule. Example for this is P4, that is phosphorus, and S8, that is sulfur. So oxygen exists as a single atom, like oxygen atom which contains only one oxygen atom. In O2 there are two oxygen atoms, then we call it as molecule. If we have three oxygen atom, O3, that is ozone, then we call it as triatomic molecule. Now we see what is a compound. A compound is a substance that is made up of two or more different elements that are chemically joined together. For example, H2O, CO2, NaCl, etc. H2O, there is hydrogen, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom present in this one. So we call this as a compound because there are two different atoms present in this compound. And in CO2, carbon and oxygen, two different type of atom present, so we call this as a compound. And sodium chloride, we call that we use in normal table salt, sodium chloride, it contains sodium and chlorine atom. So two different types of atom present in this, so we call this as a compound. Now we see some exercises, to do how to differentiate element, molecule and compound. Okay, first we take CO. CO is carbon monoxide. It contains carbon and also oxygen in this one, so we call this as molecule. So this comes under molecule. Then next is helium. Helium, there is only one type of atom present here, so it comes in element. Next, calcium, it also have only one type of atom, so it comes in element. Sodium chloride, as I said, it comes in compound. H2, two hydrogen atom is present, so it comes in molecule. O3, triatomic molecule, you saw it, right? The same one. P4, polyatomic molecule. H2O, H2O contains hydrogen and oxygen atom, so we have to write it in compound. Au is gold. Gold is only one type of atom present, so it should come in element. Mg, that is magnesium. This also contains one type of atom, that is magnesium, so that also comes in element. And CH4 is methane. Methane is a compound because it contains carbon and hydrogen together. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in the next following video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.